What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to select a specific website from your search history in Firefox. So say in Firefox you just visited a website like, I don't know, 3 days ago, 4 days ago, and it's not in your recent search history, but you still want to find it again and go back to that site. I'll show you how to do that right now. So if you go to the top right here, there should be a little uh, bookmark, book type thing. If you hover over it, it says view history, save bookmarks, and more. You want to click on this guy, and then you want to hover over history, or actually just click on history rather, and then scroll down. Like, you can see a bunch of recent history here, but if it's not in recent, just go all the way down here and click show all history. So once you click that, it opens a separate window, and here you can select yesterday, last 7 days, this month, October, September, August. You can just go through a bunch of different search history results this way. So say you visited the site like 7 days ago, just click last 7 days. You can just scroll all the way down and then just click whatever site you want. So here we go. I'm just going to select this Python tutorial site, click that, double click it, and boom, it'll just open right up. So that's how you do this in Firefox. You just got to go to history and then go show all history. And then when you click on a site, as you can see, it'll show you the name, the location, and then there's tags, separate tags with commas. You can add tags to this site. Not particularly useful in the case of what I'm showing you how to do here, but yeah, that's how you do this in Firefox. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.